Hey guys, Arrow just sent me their 6-inch slip joint pliers to test and give an honest review. First glance, the packaging is awesome. I want to make sure that the pliers aren't getting damaged. Slip joint is nicely lubricated. You can see there. Handles feel nice, comfortable. If you're going to be using them a lot, it's not going to bother your hands. Teeth on there are really sharp. It's got 3 zones for gripping. There, right there. Let's go test them and see them in action. Alright, here we go. I've got my pliers set to the larger screws. It bites with ease and turns that screw no problem. And tighten it back up. And these things are great. They need to be in everybody's toolbox. Can't go wrong with some slip joint pliers at a great price point. I highly recommend these slip joint pliers by Arrow. You should definitely go check them out.